Yo! What's up, guys? It's your boy Jack, or Noble Dez, and welcome back to another modding tutorial video. A while back, or by a while back, I mean like a week or two ago, I showed you how to install custom skin pack files on your Wii U, and pack files is just pack file EA, and it's pretty much just DLC. Pack files aren't just skin files, but also texture pack files and mashup pack files, any form of DLC on Minecraft console. Even like map packs and stuff like that. Anyways though, I just showed you how to install pre-made packs, which were made by me. And I mentioned in that video that I had a tool that was being worked on so you can make your own pack files. Here it is, Minecamp. Minecamp has actually been a public tool for a long time now. Although it started off as just a very basic pack managing kind of, it was a really basic and a really limited tool. There was a lot you could not do with it, like you couldn't add new entries, you couldn't manage domain metadatabase, there was no auto tools for the lock file and skin IDs and stuff like that. There wasn't even an ID server or database, and oh, shut up phone. And it was just missing so much stuff that really flawed every single pack file made within the tool. So I've taken this tool and I've spent over 100 hours plus coding and adding stuff to this tool. You can see right here, I think I've probably worded it better here. Let me read this. Noble Dez has taken this tool and added many things like a skin/cape ID database, auto updating, auto/meta lock auto meta/lock generating, visual mini tools like skin adding, custom model generators, things like that, and more data managing function. Now as for like the custom modeler, I haven't made that yet, but it's gonna come within Minecamp update 2.5. Right now it's on 2.3. Which will be the latest version you download as of this video. If there's any new updates, whenever you start up the program, you'll get a prompt for an update. You just click yes and install it, blah blah blah. But in this video, I'm just going to show you the basics of adding your own regular skin files, so you can make your own packs. And also the ID database thing. There's this really complex system within Minecraft pack files for skins that was implemented to make online gameplay a lot faster, which adds an ID to each skin. And before this, people just like replaced the image of a skin, but it kept the ID. And since it kept the ID, they can only see the custom skin on their screen. Everyone else's screen showed the skin that was originally linked to the ID. So there's been a lot of crazy things going on trying to figure out this ID thing, but I finally got it. I've made a database for it, and everything is okay now. So without further ado, let's get into it. In my description, I'll have a link to the website to download this Minecamp tool, and also like everything about this tool I redid. I'll probably have like an on-screen comparison of how it was to how it is now. Like I redid the UI, over 100 hours plus coding and adding stuff to this tool. I've done so much. Yeah, Jack, you've done so much. Blah blah blah. Whatever. Just go to this website. Click download. And it's gonna take you to this AdFly thingamajigger. You just gotta wait, skip ad, and it's gonna take you to this, blah blah blah, redirecting. Please wait. You're about to leave AdFly, blah blah blah. It's gonna take you to the link to download it. It's redirecting, and it's gonna take you to this immediate file link, Minecamp release. Just download the zip file. Then once it's downloaded, just drag it somewhere you'll be able to find it. I'm just gonna put mine on the desktop right there. There we go. And just right click it and extract the Minecamp release. Just extract it. You'll get a folder like this. You no longer need the zip file. You can delete that. And then you open up the Minecamp folder, go into release, and this exe is the program. I recommend you make a shortcut to it so I can get to it quicker. So I'm just gonna right click, create shortcut. I'm gonna cut that, put it on my desktop. Just gonna take out the shortcut out of the name because that's ugly. There we go. So now when you open the program, you'll get this really fancy UI, or actually you'll get the changelog first. So in the latest update, I added cape adding, and I fixed a few user interface things. I can't talk. So here it is, Minecamp. Whenever a new update comes out, you'll see the changelog right here on the side, so don't worry. So in this video, I'm specifically going to be showing you how to make basic skin packs. That means no custom models or anything like that, just basic skin. So go here to file, click new, or don't click new, but you'll go on new and click new skin pack. And right here, you'll get the template for a new skin pack. So now you just need some skins. There's a lot of places you can get skins from. One of the two main sources being Planet Minecraft. There's a lot of like the best skins here. And also minecraftskins.com. You can find a lot of skins here. You can make your own skins, you can use HD skins, you can use skins with any dimensions, being 64 by 64 or 64 by 32, anything will work. I already have some skins ready in a folder, so I really don't need to download any, but y'all can go get your own skins. I'll put a link, or 2 links to these websites down in the description so you can go find some. And also I mentioned HD skins. You can use HD skins, but keep in mind if it's extremely HD, it won't work online. The second you join someone's lobby, it'll crash the host. It won't crash you, it'll just crash them. So HD skins is kind of just a single player thing. But anyways, once you got your skins and you know where they're at, you're gonna want to click this lock file, localization.lock, I swear I can't talk. And you're gonna want to right click it and click create skin. And you're gonna get this little interface right here. Don't worry about this preview thing right here. This is for a future feature, the custom model generator. That'll come soon, but for now it's just basic stuff. So for up here, skin ID, always click server, always click server. This will make sure that your skin IDs don't conflict with anyone else's IDs, and it's just the best way to manage IDs for your skins, to make sure no one else copies their IDs, because if you get someone else with the same ID as you, there's going to be problems. So always make sure you click server for the skin ID. So select texture. You're just going to want to click that and it'll open up a prompt so you can select your skin. I'm actually working on a skin pack right now, which is the requests pack, which is just a bunch of requested skins people wanted me to make. So right here's the 3 people that wanted me to suggest skins, and in here I have their packs. So it seems this guy wanted some 21 Pilots people in here. I think this is its name, so I'm just going to copy that so I know what the name of this guy is. Josh Dunn or whatever. So just click the skin, and you'll see the skin will be put in here. Then put the skin name, so Josh Dunn, and then the theme name. The theme name is like the text that appears under the skin name within the skin selection UI. So right here, I'm just gonna put requested by Anga Vion. That's the person who requested this one. And once you have all your data in here for the skin creator, you can just click create skin. Also, you can add a cape. So you click that and select the cape file, and a cape will be added for this. I'm not gonna add any capes, but it works just like the skin thing. So once you have everything ready, just click create skin, and your skin will be set in here with all the data preset, including the anime thing, so you can use the skin file of any dimension. And also within the localization.lock, I do have it set to preset the data, so it's really easy. I've added a lot of auto functions, so creating skin packs is extremely easy now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add all the other skins really quick. Alright, so I just added all my skins to this skin pack. There's a total of 35, it seems, as you can see right there. Minus these 2 files, which aren't skins. There's 35 skins in here. So, some things you're going to want to do now is go to the 0 file, and you're going to get the pack ID. So each skin within Minecraft has an ID, which separates it from another pack. So if you leave this as 000, it's probably going to try and replace the default skin pack, no matter what pack you replace, or even if you just add it as a separate file. So what I recommend you do for this 0 file is just change these 3 numbers to 3 random digits. I already know what I'm gonna set it to because I've been working with these pack files and I'm setting it in relation to my other pack. But just set this to 3 random numbers, and just make sure, like, out of all your packs that you don't set any to the same random 3 numbers. So I'm just gonna change this to 986. Let's go with that. So hopefully that won't collide with any other pack ID out there. And now for the localization.lock, this file right here, double click this, and you're gonna get all the information for each skin. But at the very top, we're gonna get IDs.displayName. And this right here is the skin pack name. So just put your skin pack name here. I'm calling this the requests pack. So I just put requests pack. I'm gonna copy that and just paste it in each of these. Each of these represents like a different language, but I just have the name appear the same for all languages. So just put in your skin pack name here, copy this through all of them. Make sure you don't create any new rows because that could kind of corrupt or damage your pack file. So once you copy that, your new pack name is in. This is all set, so close that. And right here you have your basic skin pack set. So just some extra things to note for y'all. If you ever want to set a skin to have the Alex model, which has the arms 3 pixels thick rather than 4, like this skin for example, you can see some black bars right there. If you want the skin to use the Alex model, go to the skin, click the anime tag, and right here for the entry, change this 4 to an 8, and that will make the skin use the Alex model rather than the Steve model. And also within each skin, This right here is the metadata for each skin. So you can see each of these has a name, like display name ID, anime, game flags, free. I call these anime tags. And if you ever want to try and go into more advanced things like modeling and things like that, you're going to have to use new tags like offset, box, things like that. And the thing is, if you use an anime tag within a skin that is not in the main meta database, it won't let you save. So all you got to do is go here to File, click Meta, and this shows you all the tags you're allowed to use within your pack. So let's say I wanted to add a new one for some reason. All you're going to want to do is add it here. So let's say I want to use offset. You put it here exactly how you want it. And once it's added to the main meta database, then you can use it on actual skins. So, you know, blah, 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 but I'm not going to use offset, so I'm going to delete that. And there are some really like advanced tools in here. For example, let's say you wanted to add a specific tag to each skin or each type of skin. You could go here to Edit and click Bulk Meta Manager. And let's say to each skin that is 64 by 64, I wanted to add a tag that says, hi, blah, 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 create. I just click apply to 64 by 64, apply, and it will apply that tag to all 64 by 64 images or skins. I really don't want that though, so now I gotta go delete all these. And if you have like a really big screen, so this is like really tiny to you, or if you like working in full screen mode, you can always click view and click toggle view mode, and the program will go into a full screen mode, which is a lot more cozier. And you know, once you've finished your pack and you're ready to save it and inject it into whatever console you're going to inject the pack into, all you got to do is click save as, and just save it as whatever you're going to save it as. I'm just going to call this the requests pack and click save. And now if I close this, I have my requests pack right here. So I can inject this into my Wii U, my PS3 or whatever, and I'll have all my skins working just like I set them. So I hope this helps you out, and I hope y'all make use for this program. I will be sending out updates every once in a while, fixing certain bugs, maybe adding things like the model generator and things like that. And when I do release the model generator, I'll make a tutorial on it so y'all can make your own custom skin models like I've been doing. I don't have the visual modeler yet, so I've been doing it raw from just straight code, but I'll have a visual model generator soon so you can create your own custom skin models, which will be pretty cool. And I'll also get into making a tutorial so you can make your own texture packs and mashup packs. I am working on a PC to console texture pack converter, and the mashup pack will practically use the same thing, only mashup packs have more things like custom music and stuff like that, which I'll also try and make. But for now, basic skin pack generating, here you go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this comes of use to y'all. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button. It does inspire me to make more content like this, and it is really motivating and helpful to the channel. And yeah, so it's been your boy Jack, or Noble Dez, and I'm out.